Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel English with Hassan 1, where we help you learn English smarter, faster, and with more confidence.
Rules of making verbs plus ing, especially action verbs. So the problem the students face is that when we tell them to make verb plus ing, they just add ing to the verb, which is not correct most of the time, because there are rules that you should know and practice and do. So let's see. Rule group 2. Verbs with one E at the end. What do we do with verbs that have one E at the end? We we delete the E and add ing. I repeat. Rule group 2. Verbs with one E, and not if you have two E, for example, see, we have double E. So seeing, no problem. But if we have one E, let's see. So verbs with one E at the end, we delete the E and add ing. Let's see examples. For example, have. So we have E at the end. So if we want to add ing, we need to delete the E. Having, have, having. So remember, having is without E. Remember it. Having is without E. Because students, when they want to add ing, they just add ing. No. So having is without E. Have, having. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.